just finished working today and we're gonna have shopping, Christmas shopping, and we're gonna look for some decorations too. Let's go. I'm planning to go in Marshall's, in HomeSense, and in Dollarama for decorations, but we'll see. So I'm done now. I didn't really get to HomeSense. So naging snow na. So there's snowfall tonight. So yeah. See? I'll see you guys later at home. So hi, it's me again. So I'm already home. I didn't really bought a lot of things a while ago, mainly because I already had my Christmas shopping during the Black Friday, but there was this one friend of mine that I wasn't able to buy a gift for her because I can't find anything during that time. So yes, but obviously I can't show it to you guys as of now. I mean, I don't think I could ever do because I would give it to her, but like, yeah, because you know, she might watch this video and she'll be like, huh. But yeah, I think this thing would really help her in her business, which is really good. But I'm excited to show you guys this one thing that is kind of popular here in Canada. Well, I'm not sure, but like at least the Canadian people that surrounds me is like giving a card or like letter card, a message card, a holiday card, a gift card. I don't know what it's called, but this one there. So I bought this a while ago too, and this is really cute. It says, "This the season to be jolly." I know it's a song, but like, you know, it's sweet, it's cute to give out to people. You could personalize it with the things that you want to say, like the memories or all those stuff. This one, and it comes with an envelope. Oh yeah. So yeah. So I actually have this other one, this one. I also have this one. It's a season's greetings, and I haven't wrote anything in here yet, but this is something that I would give out to my manager. See? And yeah, so let's get wrapping. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you've learned how to wrap or some ideas that you could think of from that. And this is a gift for my aunt. I really made this obvious. She's been asking for this for like 2 months, 3 months, but I can't find anywhere. So I just found it a while ago, and yeah, this is so obvious. So comment down below if you know what's this. Just guess. There's nothing really, it's not competition, but yeah, this is just so funny. Let's see if my aunt could guess this on the 24th of December. Yep. So yeah, that's it. And here's our Christmas tree. Tomorrow I will still gonna add some things in our Christmas tree. There's a lot of gifts over there. So yeah, that's it. Hope you've liked this video. Share, push that notification bell down below, and so we'll see you guys tomorrow on our 3rd day till Christmas. See ya!